what really happened. Let's recap it a little bit because as we were talking about Quetta, एक cruise शहजाद उनका ज़रूर चल रहा है Quetta Gladiators का back-to-back wins and special wins. You know, उनकी तरफ से वो team effort नजर आ रहा है. Well, they won the toss today and put Islamabad to bat first. 157 is what Islamabad could manage. Sahibzada Farhan और Kyle Mayers ने runs kiye top of the order, but Mohammad Nawaz with his 49 of 34. That was a special cameo from him, but really a credit to Quetta's bowlers, the way they restricted a team like Islamabad to 157. दूसरी तरफ चेज अगर आप देखें, Hasan Nawaz, the player of the match, 64 of 49 from him, and at a decent strike rate as well, because we've seen some of him, but we're yet to see more of what he can do internationally. यहाँ बाकी अगर आप देखें effort, Saud Shakil couldn't really get off today, लेकिन Finn Allen and Riley Rousseau chipped in, and Mohammad Wasim with a nice cameo in the end, 16 of 11, and in the end, well, that was an interesting chase. They won by 2 wickets, almost let the match go away, Shahzad. In the end, had it not been for those 3 catches dropped in the last game, Shoaib, how often do you get to see that in a T20 game? आखिरी bowler, आखिरी over करा रहे हैं मोहम्मद शहजाद, and फिर 3 chances create हुए, तीनों drop हुए. Chaos.
अन्य लग रहे थे मुझे.
Chaos. Chaotic.
I mean, after getting Riley Rousseau out for the run out, you got the breakthrough, right? So you had the half of the game in your hands. But again, having said that, I think Hasan Nawaz played really well to take them this far, but they made sure after that that he crosses the line. By dropping the catch.
Exactly, but I think it was Salman Irshad who was too desperate and eager to get the catches too as well. But I think
and I think he hurt himself towards the end as well. I hope he's doing okay now. But Islamabad cannot afford another
Yeah, but I think that's where Aaron needs to kind of speak about, you know, Pakistan Super League's 10th edition, where finally we got to see a nail biter happening today. You know, got us. You know, do you think that, you know, Pakistanis are usually very calm towards the last ball or the delivery of the over, where, you know, we do know that, you know, it's going to be chased up?
Short answer, no. I think quite often panic sets in, and you know, all the plans and the, you know, preconceived ideas kind of go out the window when the stress takes over, which is why I think Karachi Kings have been having a lot more success this year, because you've got the experience of David Warner, who has taken sides who on paper didn't look like they were going to have the goods straight to finals like Sydney Thunder this year in the Big Bash League. So I think where he's really showed his value is just showing the guys another way of playing the game, showing them how to concentrate and back themselves in the difficult moments. I think poor Islamabad, they thought everything was going absolutely swimmingly when they were at Pindi at home. Very familiar conditions, really suited that explosive top 5, top 6. Now they've had to regroup and find a way in some really inconsistently performing Lahore wickets, and they don't know how to find their best playing 11. Couple of injuries in there as well, which doesn't help. And
obviously including their captain not being there on the field, and you know, Salman Ali Agha will of course be seen as the leadership in that leadership role. But Shadab looking a bit frustrated now. So I'm going to come to you because हम captaincy की बात कर रहे हैं. Shadab really not there, not being able to enforce those changes, those tactics. Salman Ali Agha, even though आज उन्होंने 2 टोपियां पहनी हुई थी, एक कप्तानी की आई थी, एक as a player, but क्या कैसे आप देख रहे हैं, especially इस चीज़ को कि कैप्टन ऑन द फील्ड नहीं है?
देखिए काफ़ी फ़र्क ज़रूर पड़ता है, बिकॉज जो मेजॉरिटी डिस्कशंस होती हैं इस लेवल पर वो आपकी फ्रेंचाइज हेड कोच, थिंक टैंक ओनर्स और कैप्टन के बीच में होती है. सलमान अली आगा नो डाउट पाकिस्तान के कैप्टन है, बट शुरू के 4-5 मैचेस जिस वक्त इस्लामाबाद जीता है उस वक्त ही वाज नॉट पार्ट ऑफ द 11. सो सलमान हैज़ कम इन एंड शादाब हैज़ गॉन आउट. सो इट्स काइंड ऑफ अगर शादाब होते हो तो वो ज़रा आसानी हो जाती सेटल होने में, बट बिकॉज सलमान हैज़ नॉट बीन प्लेइंग, ही हैड एन इंजरी बिफोर, उसकी वजह से अब आके सीधा कैप्टनसी करना वो इतना आसान नहीं होगा उनके लिए. और अनफॉर्चुनेटली द टीम हैज़ लॉस्ट 3 मैचेस इन अ रो. With injuries, it's going to be an uphill task, because all other teams, whether it's Lahore, whether it's Karachi, now all of them think we have a chance.
Exactly.
And that is going to put more pressure on Islamabad, because it was no one else but themselves. जब इतनी changes की, that kind of caused that stoppage in the winning streak. So वो pressure उनके ऊपर added ज़रूर होगा.
एग्जैक्टली इसीलिए मैं मेरे ख्याल है शोएब भाई की तरफ भी बढ़ना चाहता हूँ. पॉइंट्स टेबल जो है उसके अंदर अब क्वेटा ग्लैडिएटर्स जो है वो आर ऑन टॉप एज वेल. आई थिंक दिस इज समथिंग व्हिच इज गोइंग टू हर्ट इस्लामाबाद द मोस्ट नाउ. शोएब भाई इतनी बेंच स्ट्रेंथ होना कि आप हर मौके पे अपनी आर्मरी को इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं. डू यू थिंक दैट इट्स अ ब्लेसिंग इन डिसगाइज और डू यू थिंक दैट्स मोर ऑफ अ पेन नाउ?
Well, hey, the points table. I think 8 matches been played, 5-1, right?
Yep.
2 lost.
Yep.
11 points. I think topping the chart is always going to help, right? I think it's a two team that we're playing final before the final was Quetta Gladiator and Islamabad. And Islamabad, to be honest, to not to take their side, but you know, to give them an advantage, they have a lot of niggles in the team, and that's why they're trying the other guys.
इसकी वजह से उन्होंने हैदर को भी अच्छा नीचे भेजा.
Yeah, exactly. So, okay, give them a margin of error in terms of I think they know the best 11, right?
Yeah.
And with the injuries with the top table, like I mean, it's still number 2, right? And Lahore Qadar is reaching out, and Karachi and Peshawar Zalmi is there, and Multan, and they have gotten us to come back.
And Lahore's got a game
Where
tomorrow
are
as
they?
well. So if they win, you know, they probably might go up the order as well.
Yeah, the Multans are going to go out.
They
They're
are
already out.
They're pretty much packed their bags.
Yeah.
They're
So
ready
why
to-
they're in the table? So I'm just kidding.
Because
So
yeah.
I think that pretty much, I think we knew that the finalist, the Quetta Gladiator, is going to be at top because the one thing that goes in the favor, and the one thing is there a mature management
Yeah.
that who knows which player to pick in the draft. Very simple. A, there are people who's going to play around the foreign players. Two, and secondly, they're a settled coach and the settled management along with Sarfraz. And I think the captain is amazing, South Shakil. I think he's not cut for job. I mean, beginning of the PSL, the minute he turned up and showed up, he showed that, you know, this guy actually can be a good batter out of his skin, turn out to be a great batsman, and at the same time, he can be a good captain too.
Exactly.
So, settled squad. And Islamabad has, as Sana said, is uphill task, but I reckon I think they're going to come back stronger. All we
Let's
need to see is who's going to come. The other two. The other two team is very important for me. Lahore Qalandar can really surprise you. And they can surprise themselves too, right?
And Karachi
Like,
Kings.
kicking themselves out of the game, right?
Yeah.
So Zalmi, and then so on. I think it's going to be a great PSL. I think.
But the
Exactly.
range of expressions and emotions that we
Yeah.
all got to see on Sir Viv Richards' face tonight.
I think he needs a sleep. I think he must be absolutely
I think he needs a spa day,
exhausted.
just like relax, forget about the game. He was tense right
He
up
wasn't
until
even
that
happy.
last ball, like the 6 was hit. And everybody in that Quetta camp was celebrating, they were laughing, and Sir Viv was just like, this was too intense. We got it.
They should have
really
game.
close.
Yeah.
He wanted the game to be finished earlier and easier. And
Yeah, you can see
Yeah,
that.
it could, you know, they could have finished it earlier as well. Very quickly, let's talk about the most valuable player over here as well. I'm going to move on towards Suhail by Hassan Nawaz. Hassan Nawaz actually did one thing right, which was जो इन्होंने Islamabad United के हवाले से ये बात की कि जब आपको shorter deliveries कराते हैं, तो you need to be on your back foot rather than कि आप अपने अगले foot के साथ पहले से commit कर लें. I think Hassan Nawaz to come back, you know, because unfortunately within this PSL he wasn't performing really well. Debut पे उनका 100 था. For him, I think it's going to give him a lot of confidence within the middle order of Quetta Gladiators. जी सुहेल भाई.
सबसे अच्छी चीज़ ये लगी कि जब 5 ओवर में अराउंड 48 उस टाइम पे 7 आउट भी हो चुके थे. सो उस टाइम पे नॉर्मली जब एक बैट्समैन खेल रहा होता है ना तो वो ट्राई करता है कि खुद से छक्के मार के गेम को फिनिश करे.
Yeah.
व्हाट ही डिड द बेस्ट, ही ट्राई टू रन टू. आप अगर देखें कि बीच
Yeah,
में
singles and doubles.
एग्जैक्टली, सो दैट शोड ही वाज नॉट पैनिकिंग.
अच्छा और इस मौके पे सॉरी एक और बात ऐड करना